Today we're going to be taking a look at My Purchases. As usual, we want to first make sure that we're logged into the Würth Baer Supply website. Then we can click on My Purchases, which is a list of all the items you have bought while logged in for the last up to 2 years in most cases. We can look here and select and filter by vendor or category and subcategory. Vendor and category are the best ways to search aside from using a keyword, which we're going to look at right now. I'm going to highlight an item here. Actually, not an item, but a description for this of latitude. I've got several items in here I know using the name latitude here. And again, we are looking at, I'm going to deselect this filter so we're seeing everything again, all 171 things we've purchased. I'm going to go over here to the narrow down this list filter and I'm going to paste in what I just copied, which is the word latitude. That took my list of 171 down to 4. And as we know, when we have an item selected here, we can do one of 4 things. In this case, add to a cart, list, a proposal, or just check pricing. Here, I am going to add it to the cart, and we see that we've got it. Of course, I can purchase it here if I like, remove it, anything like that, add a job name, a PO number, coupon code. I see my pricing here as well. I can also come down here and add this item or items if I had more than one to a proposal, or likewise a shopping list as well. I can create one or add one that's already existing. Yep, a new one here. And click Save. In this case, I'm just going to exit out of that.